What's going on, YouTube? Good to see you all again. Happy Sunday. It's been about a week since I did my last video, so I decided it was time for another couple of pepper reviews. So today, I'm going to be eating the ghost pepper. Nice little blisters, little point on the end there. It's ghost pepper. It tops out just north of 1,000,000 Scoville. This was the hottest pepper in the world until 2011, when the Trinidad Moruga Scorpion became the hottest pepper in the world. And then in 2013, of course, the Carolina Reaper superseded it. I'm thinking I will wash that down with a little nip of the Woodford Reserve Double Oaked. Really, really excellent bourbon. I've been loving it. I've had it for about a week now, and I've only taken that much of it because I'm really trying to make it last. Got myself a little drink poured. And then I'm going to be eating a Fatalii Jigsaw. Very interesting looking little pepper there. Lots of little wrinkles and crevices and whatnot. This one is rated between 800,000 and 1,000,000 Scoville, so not quite as hot as the ghost pepper, the Jalokia, but still way, way, way up there. So eating these two together, that's a lot of heat. So I'm going to want to wash it down with some alcohol. So I'll probably wash after the first one with my Woodford Reserve, a nip of that. And then after the second one, down a Steel Reserve Spiked Punch 211, because they're both very, very classy drinks. So without further ado, here is the Jalokia Ghost Pepper. All right. Whew. That is a very hot pepper, and it's a stinging heat. It reminds me a lot of a habanero in the way that it burns. Let's try to take your breath away. Whew. We're just gonna soak in this for a little while. See how it builds. Definitely a seedy pepper. I feel like I'm trying to fight the hiccups right now. There went the first one. Oh no. Gotta get control of myself now. I do not react well to the heat hiccups. It makes me want to throw up. It's not even all that hot. The hiccups make me sick when I'm fighting heat. Hate them. If I could just get rid of these hiccups, man. as you can see, my nose is starting to run. So I'm gonna set the phone down, blow my nose, and I'll be right back. Much better. These damn hiccups, bro. That is a lot of heat, but it's really not killing me. It's just over the edge of that point that gives me hiccups. And I think they may be about gone now. I would say the heat is already dying down. So I now, the 1 grade Ajax, I'm going to take a quick nip of the Woodford Reserve Double Oaked and then move on to the Fatalii Jigsaw. Damn, that is a fine whiskey. If I had to eat a ghost pepper to get a nip of this whiskey, I'd be eating a lot of ghost peppers. No, I'm just playing. I don't know how true that is, but it is a damn good whiskey. On sale this week at the ABC store. $5 off. Hell yeah. Okay. Moving on to the Fatalii Jigsaw. The pepper had definitely had less seeds and better flavor than the ghost pepper. But still quite a bit of heat. Not as hot as the ghost pepper, but still definitely quite a bit of heat. That one had a little bit of that sweetness that I like in a chili. I don't like chilies that are all like black pepper forward or white pepper forward or earth flavors. That's the reason I'm not really into green hot peppers. The reds and the yellows and the peaches are definitely where it's at. You find some really interesting, enjoyable flavors in those. I'm gonna go off screen to blow my nose one more time. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, I enjoyed the ghost pepper. Definitely got the endorphins rushing, got my heart beating. Not a fan of the hiccups, never am. But I feel like that's a pepper that I could eat sometimes and get the hiccups and then sometimes not. So I may revisit that. And not a terrible flavor. It was just very peppery, spicy, spice pepper forward. The Fatalii actually had a really nice flavor. I like the Fatalii Jigsaw quite a bit. But anyway, I don't know, has enough time passed? That Jigsaw, for real, was nowhere near as hot as the Ghost. I'm gonna just go ahead and say it. But I think I might wash it down with another classy drink here. And this is the One Great Ajax signing off. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Have a good one.